Here's the Toyota Highlander. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we have to do is open up the hatch. Now the process is exact same for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on the right side over here. First thing we have to do is get this cover off. There's a small slot right over there for it. Get a small flathead screwdriver, put it right in that slot, and then pry the cover off from over there. You have to shove it in a little bit and then try to pry it out. Good. Once it comes off like this, just get it out the rest of the way. That's the bulb holder for the reverse light. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit, just a little bit. See, now it's unlocked. At this point, you can just get it right out. Now to get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight and it'll come right out. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in place. See, right now it's not dropping in place, it's sticking out. We can see light coming from over there. Now this is good. At this point, all you have to do is just twist your right to lock it, and now you're done. When you're putting the cover back on, this side with the two clips, it goes in first. Just get it in place, and then push on the other side to secure it in place, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.